Hi guys, and welcome to Crypto Bull Run, where we talk about the latest and hottest crypto news. Like, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be the first to hear about them. Today we'll be talking about the fact that the crypto market is rising back to the top, the continuing dominance of Dogecoin, as well as some bullish news about Binance Coin and Cardano. As you can see, Dogecoin is continuing decimating the opposition. Compared to all the other coins, it gains 455% over the last 7 days. So, Dogecoin at 0.44 embarks literal moon ahead of Elon Musk's SpaceX launch. Dogecoin Day 420 and SpaceX rocket launch are two events fueling Doge USD as the year-to-date gains passed 7,500%. So Bitcoin may be flagging, but one cryptocurrency that could not be less phased by the market downturn is hitting all-time highs. Dogecoin, the altcoin based on the Shiba Inu meme, passed 40 cents for the first time on April 19th, capping weekly gains of 400%. New all-time highs keep coming for Doge. The rags to riches moves by Doge throughout 2021 have wowed pundits and left former bagholders weeping. Now it appears that even a flash bear market cannot stop its moonshot. Just 7 days ago, Doge to USD traded at 7 cents. As CoinGraph reported, year-to-date gains are now in excess of 7,500%, while the pair is up almost 18,000% versus the same date in 2020. While this naturally beats the rise of Bitcoin, Ether and others, the question now is what will happen next and whether an equally spectacular reversal is on the cards. At the time of writing of this article, Doge was trading at around 36 cents, already a considerable way below its all-time high of 44 cents. All eyes on Dogecoin Day. SpaceX and its techno king Elon Musk may have the answer. On April 22nd, a flight is due to launch that Musk previously hinted would put a literal Dogecoin on the literal moon. Since his April Day Fool's tweet, Dogecoin has since seen engagement like never before, dwarfing even that which accompanied Musk's early endorsements. But besides the hashtag DogeDay trending in the United States on Twitter, data from Google Trends shows that Doge is in the process of being Googled more than ever. However, other social media metrics are suggesting that the craze may already be fading on the social media. Another improvised red letter day is April 20th, or Dogecoin 420, which, according to social media, is allegedly when Doge USD will hit 420 per coin. Amid the fervor, however, stood some voices of reason. Among them was trader Scott Merker, who told US traders looking to book profits to be mindful of legal implications. If you believe that Doge or another coin in the future is money, please remember that the government viewed it as a property and every single time you spend it is a taxable say on the coin, he warned. This is important. Buy something with crypto in the US equals selling crypto. Bitcoin, meanwhile, could only yap at Dogecoin's heels, down 0.7% on the day to stay close to $55,000. That was the news about Dogecoin for today. The other news that I would like to talk about is Binance Coin. Binance Coin regains 20% in a day. Why is BNB seeing such strong recovery? BNB price rallies by more than 20% in the last 24 hours due to several key reasons. And some of those reasons are: overheated futures market gets a reset. The market saw a steep pullback in the short period because the futures market was extremely overheated. Over the $10 billion worth of cryptocurrency positions were liquidated in a single day, with Bitcoin accounting for over $5 billion of it. Since the drop was more technical than fundamental and was a cascade of liquidations that caused the pullback, the market paid most of the losses relatively quickly. It was also evident that the futures market led to the correction because the price of major cryptocurrencies was trading lower in the futures market than the spot market. Adam Cochrane, a partner of Sydenham Ventures, explained, "I think what we saw was a cascade of tightly wound retail positions on the weekend market get toppled, but somewhere along the line there was a matching book fair that caused stop losses to not get hit, and when that happened it was a massive 63 million position in jeopardy." He added that the liquidation of a $63 million position shocked the market, which put even the major cryptocurrencies at risk of speedy drop. Cochrane added that 63 million position getting liquidated is what put the market in major jeopardy, but by the time there was already degraded performance issues connected to Binance and spiking gas fees. So there was very little for anyone to backstop or arbitrage that liquidation. BNB's fundamentals remain strong. After the initial futures market-driven drop, cryptocurrencies with strong fundamentals began to recover first. When Bitcoin and Ether rebounded relatively quickly by 12 and 50% respectively from their lows, BNB outperformed both BTC and Ethereum within the past 24 hours in its recovery. The strong performance of BNB stems from two positive catalysts: the record 600 million BNB burn by Binance and the uptrend of Binance Smart Chain metrics. On Friday, CoinGraph reported that Binance burned $600 million worth of BNB in the fourth quarter of 2021, which reduces the circulating supply and suggests the exchange generated at least $750 million in a quarterly profit. Moreover, Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao emphasized on Sunday that the Binance team has no plans to sell its BNB holdings, 40% of the total supply, in a likely dig at Coinbase insiders reportedly selling $5 billion worth of coin shares last week. Thus, when the market started to recover, BNB saw a strong rally, possibly as a result of a delayed response to the 600 million burn. Atop the token burn, the daily number of transactions on Binance Smart Chain surpassed 5 million operations. Since BNB is also a native token of the Binance Smart Chain blockchain network, rising user activity positively affects the value of BNB, contributing to its recovery. And the third reason was traders were ready to buy the dip. A pseudo-anonymous trader known as Altcoin Psycho stated that traders were ready to buy the dip in the altcoin market. He said, "Traders were ready to buy the dip. Was anticipating a market dip all week, yet I got lazy and did a bad job positioning myself for success. Had 10 plus alts on my list, only set bids for Ethereum. Thankfully experienced minimal drawdown tonight, but still really played with this opportunity poorly. Good learning lesson there." The quick flow of capital into the altcoin market shortly after the dip led many altcoins to recover swiftly, which likely catalyzed BNB upsurgence. So that was the news that I wanted to talk about regarding BNB coin and its reasons of why it rebounded back up. And the third news for today is regarding Cardano. So, Cardano's upcoming Alonzo update pushes ADA price despite a major delay. Cardano will strive to become an Ethereum contender if the upcoming Alonzo update lives up to the expectations of being a game changer. The Cardano Foundation, led by Charles Hoskinson, the founder of Cardano, co-founder of Ethereum blockchain, on April 6th through his YouTube channel discussed Cardano's roadmap covering the next 4 years in the video titled Some Musings About the Roadmap. In this video, he mentioned that although Cardano developers are working on solving the scalability issue and Cardano's approach to it, he will only turn his attention toward this issue once the Alonzo update has been completed. The scalability phase of the Cardano roadmap is coming up next, following the completion of the Gogen update. This phase is named Basho after the 17th century Japanese haiku master. Cardano has risen to become one of the top 10 cryptocurrencies in the world by market capitalization in a short time span. It currently ranks 7th with a market capitalization of over $41 billion. It accounts for nearly 2% of the entire cryptocurrency market. According to data from CoinGecko, Cardano hit an all-time high of $1.55 on April 14th. The Daedalus and Alonzo update. On April 1st, the Foundation released a Daedalus update, which ushered in support for native tokens of the Cardano blockchain, along with the Project Catalyst Fund-free voting registration, effectively beginning the countdown to Cardano becoming an entirely decentralized blockchain. This countdown has since reached its fruition. Cointelegraph discussed more on the Daedalus update with a representative of the Cardano Foundation. They stated, Daedalus users can now use their wallet as a single unified interface to receive both ADA as well as hosts of other native tokens deployed on the Cardano blockchain. They further spoke on Cardano becoming a completely decentralized network, elaborating, "We are delighted to report that the countdown, which signaled the full decentralization of Cardano blockchain, has also been included in the latest implementation of Daedalus. This marks a momentous milestone where all the Cardano stake pools are operated by the community-led stake pool operators." On its official website, Cardano claims that this decentralization event makes it one of the most decentralized blockchains in the world. The next and final phase of Gogen and Cardano's roadmap is previously delayed Alonzo update. The upgrade will bring smart contract functionality to the blockchain. The development of this upgrade is enabled by the Plutus platform, which brings a native smart contract language to users of the Cardano blockchain, as mentioned in the IOHK blog about Plutus. Before the Daedalus update, Cardano went through its merry hard fork, which introduced tokens to the Cardano Upspin transaction output set, which allows custom tokens and non-fungible tokens to be processed by miners with the same cost efficiency as the native coin of the blockchain network. Furthermore, Cardano developers have even found a way to mint and sell NFT collectibles without smart contract functionality. Cointelegraph discussed with Johannes Jensen, product and project manager of eToro X, a digital asset platform. He said, "The Alonzo hard fork introduces a more complex coordination problem, as the surrounding ecosystem of service providers will need to prepare for the hard fork and subsequent Cardano-based tokens and smart contracts altogether. ADA could reach $2 soon due to DeFi growth." Cardano's ADA has seen nearly 10% gains in the last 14 days. Considering that the significant $2 mark is $0.6 away from the current trading price at the current rate of growth, it is highly unlikely that ADA will surpass the $22 mark in the near future. However, another possible DeFi summer is one of the main reasons that could drive the growth. If we use the DeFi summer 2020 as the gauge for this year, the DeFi markets will probably grow to new heights in 2021. In fact, the 1-year gains of ADA currently stand at 3,490%. According to data from DappRadar, the total value locked in decentralized finance protocols reaches its all-time high of $70 billion in April 16th. Since the beginning of this year, the TVL has grown nearly 4 times at the time of writing. It went from 30 billion on January 20th to currently standing 64 billion as of April 19th. This period has marked immense growth for the subsector of cryptocurrency market. On this, Jensen further opined, "This is little doubt that the final stages of Gauguin phase in Cardano will introduce a host of existing trends in the DeFi onto the network, such as automated market makers and lending market. However, most DeFi protocols currently in existence are built on the Ethereum blockchain. Ethereum has also onboarded the development teams of top DeFi protocols such as Uniswap, Yearn Finance, and others. Although even Cardano remains to be positive about their scope of the DeFi markets, the representative from the foundation said, "We ensure that more of our components become available, we will see a multitude of DeFi solutions and indeed all manner of apps built and migrated to the Cardano blockchain." So those were the news of that I wanted to talk about in today's video. Thank you very much for listening, and I'll be happy to hear you and see you in the next video. Thank you, and bye-bye.